Basically, diatonic seventh chords are any seventh chords we get by taking a particular key, laying out all the scale degrees in that key, 1 through 7, and then just building seventh chords over them using only the notes in that key's scale and key signature. This is exactly what we did when discovering the diatonic triads. That means in C major, we'd use all the white keys because C major's scale and key signature are all white keys. So here are the scale degrees in C major as an example. Now, what would happen if we just built a seventh chord over each of these scale degrees without using any accidentals? What quality would each seventh chord be? How would we name each of these seventh chords? Well, here's what the seventh chords stacked over each C major scale degree would look like. Let's go through them and hear what type of seventh chord we get over each scale degree. Well, the first seventh chord on the left is C, E, G, B. What quality is that? Yes, it's major major, or just major. The key is C major, so it makes sense that the first seventh chord, the one built on the tonic, would be the same quality. How about the next one over the supertonic, D, F, A, C? The supertonic seventh chord, or the one built on scale degree 2, is normally a minor seventh chord when you're in a major key. D, F, A creates a minor triad, and D to C is a minor seventh. Let's look at the next one over the mediant, E. E, G, B, D. Yes, this one is also minor. How about the seventh chord over our fourth scale degree F, otherwise known as the subdominant? Well, since F, A, C is major and F to E is a major seventh, it looks like this seventh chord is major. Indeed, the subdominant will always be the same quality as the key we're in. So if we're in C major and the tonic is major, the subdominant will be too. How about the seventh chord over the fifth scale degree, G? Yes, this is major minor. We know this because seventh chords built on scale degree 5 are almost always major minor or dominant sevenths. GBD is a major triad with a minor seventh, G to F, as well. So, major minor. Let's move on to scale degree 6, our submediant A. What quality is this seventh chord built over A? Yes, it's minor. A, C, and E form a minor triad, then A to G is a minor seventh, and this is normal for seventh chords over scale degree 6 in major keys. Finally, let's look at the seventh chord over B, the leading tone, scale degree 7. It's B, D, F, A. Does this one sound different than the others if you tried it out on a piano? Well, it should. That's because it's half diminished. B, D, F is a diminished triad, then B to A is a minor seventh. The seventh chord built over scale degree 7 in major keys is always half diminished.